This is not a test. I repeat that this is not a test. Multiple nuclear warhead-carrying missiles have been detected heading towards the world. The country who launched these nukes is currently unknown. It has been confirmed that there are 3 total waves of these missiles. The missiles in the first wave will impact within 1 hour, impacting the cities of Los Angeles, New York City, Mexico City, Buenos Aires, London, Paris, Istanbul, Moscow, New Delhi, Beijing, Shanghai, Tokyo, and Seoul. The second wave of missiles will impact within 2 hours, and will impact the cities of Seattle, San Francisco, Phoenix, Houston, Orlando, Chicago, Washington, D.C., Toronto, Ottawa, Havana, Dublin, Medford, Lisbon, Rome, Berlin, Warsaw, Helsinki, Minsk, St. Petersburg, Alexandria, Jerusalem, Ankara, Baghdad, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Tehran, Islamabad, Mumbai, Pyongyang, Manila, and Hiroshima. The third wave of missiles will impact in the next 3 hours, hitting the cities of Miami, Panama City, Brussels, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, Copenhagen, Athens, Cairo, and Nagasaki. Evacuate now. The power of these nuclear missiles are equivalent of 5 Tsar bomb, the most powerful nuclear bomb in history. Spreading